Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today I'm going to talk about something I bought at Costco, and that is a 4-pack of the LifeStraws. The price of this was $29, I think like 95 cents or 98 cents. I got a picture I'm going to insert right now. We'll show you. They actually have it on sale, and the price for individual of these is just a little bit under $8. It's like almost $7 and like 90 cents or 95 cents. I do know if you buy an individual one of these, they cost about like almost $10, 12, 13, sometimes even $14 for an individual one. For 30 bucks, you're getting 4. And these are great to have for around the house, or if you're going camping or backpacking. They're really great because if you're going to go backpacking or camping, it's only 1.7 ounces and it's only 48 grams, especially if you're going to be if you're going hiking, weight means everything. So having one of these is great. Goes up to 1,000 gallons, which is really good. And then also helps against bacteria, parasites, and other stuff that they have here on the back. And it tells you the percentages in that. So if you want to pause the video, you can kind of see that. But this is great to have around your house or put in your car. You never know. You might get stuck in a situation to where you need to get water and there's a little bit of a lake running and you got a cup and you have the LifeStraw, you're at least going to get some water. So which is a good thing to have. So I have one of these in my vehicle, my wife's vehicle, and we have some around the house. I do know some people that when it definitely, if you're gonna for a bug-in situation or depending on what you are planning for like a natural disaster, which is what we do for around here, is some people love the Berkey system, and there's some other systems out there, but you're going to pay a lot of money for that, but it's an investment, and it's also going to be a peace of mind that if you have to filter water, you can. And the one thing I've talked about over the years on this channel was when we had about, I think it was like 8 years ago now, was we had the algae bloom where we couldn't drink anything from the water or your filter because of the bacteria that we have from the Great Lakes, and it really caused havoc. And even having this would not have helped because of what we found out, which was got sucked in from the algae bloom. So, but they did kind of say that the Berkey filters, if you had the Berkey system, that did kind of take it out, whatever. But it was 4 days, and if you had to order one, if you didn't have one, by the time you got it, you would not have needed it. But just think about that for like long-term storage. If you have to maybe collect rainwater and you're going to filter it, going through like a Berkey system or some of the other systems out there are really good to have. But in a pinch, having these in your house, in your vehicles, are great to have because you don't know if the water gets turned off or if there's a main break or something and you have to collect water and you can't get out or whatever. These are great to have. We actually had about a week and a half ago, we actually had a tornado actually hit Point Place, Toledo. You can actually see some video footage online on like YouTube and stuff of what that did to those communities. And a lot of places didn't have power for almost like 7 days, and some places didn't have water. So I saw people, one of my friends of mine had a family member that actually had some LifeStraws, and that's they were actually filtering because they had no water in the house. The water, for some reason, got turned off for some reason, and it was a whole mess. So, and they actually used these, which I just told them, I asked, I said, why didn't they drive? When he showed me the video footage of that neighborhood, because some neighborhoods got hit harder with the debris and stuff that they couldn't get out. And then he also told me too, they're also in their early 80s, so they really couldn't, help move and all that stuff, which I understand. So having a game plan, because where I live in Ohio, in a lot of places, it's tornado season. And if you live in Florida, I know I'm starting to see from some of the Weather Channel that tropical storms and hurricane season is coming. And then also too, you never know with California being ready for earthquakes, having something like the LifeStraw or any other stuff is something you're going to want to have in your system and have. And for the price, you can't beat it. So I'm going to go back. They said they're going to have more. I'm probably going to pick up probably 1 or 2 more of these just to have, in case I need to pass out to the neighbors or for other family members who maybe need them. So write in the comments down below if you guys have picked up a 4-pack of the LifeStraws from Costco. Would like to hear that if you're able to get this good of a deal, or if I've seen that's maybe even Sam's Clubs has it a little bit cheaper. So write those down in the comments section below. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and we will catch you guys down the road.